Just learning things as they go. They're just refueling and
now
pop out again.
mixes the
Yeah, from the
muriatic
car
acid.
down at Malloy Park, one of the workshops there. Really intelligent with his motors and his tuning and his electronics.
Peter Hickman has done
50%.
2 laps on his stocker
Each one.
and he's come in. He just went over the line with a 1:32. He'll be heading out before the end of this session, back out on his superbike again. Here is Davey, who we saw.
Yeah, that's him getting his elbow down, and that is him.
That's a bit of goon riding for the third
Exactly
race,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, which tells you that there is something he will be coming in for. I think.
I think that was always a TT goal for him, first man to get
His elbow down.
dragged and get photographed doing it.
A couple of laps just to bring it to your attention. Dean Harrison went over the line, didn't quite get into the 1:33s, but there are some worthy mentions elsewhere. Connor Cummins, 131.027. That's really good start to the week for Connor. Mike Brown, close to a 130, 129.5 for him. Hutchie's 128.8 is quicker than he'd gone in the whole 2 weeks last year at the Isle of Man TT.
Just says it all, doesn't it? He's fired up, he's rearing to go again, fit,
Just happy,
healthy, and just enjoying riding this beautiful circuit.
And Sean Anderson's going well. 129.878 on his superbike, his classic Suzuki there for Sean.
Yep, Sean Anderson at 130, man. Works hard, doesn't
It's enough.
it?
On the bike that he set the fastest time of the week so far, Dean Harrison sets off.
How slow does 60 kilometres an hour?
That's the difficulty, isn't it? You know, the slow corners on this course.
Protect your hands.
Places like that. You think you're going slow, but you're still not.
I
You know, when you take off first gear, stop corners.
Wow. 2 distinct jumps at the bottom of rail. One's high goals and one's called Selborne Drive.
And now
Shelbourne. Yeah, where the road end comes out.
Selborne.
Selborne
Drive.
Selborne.
the PCB in the acid.
Look at that front tyre squashing into tarmac. Almost flat.
Don't tell Icky that, I think you're...
I'm not referring to his weight, Jim.
That's a
And
Dunlop
remove
front tyre, and that is
it.
one of the, compared to the Metzler and others, it's
And
quite a hard sidewall on that Dunlop.
Cooper
You've got to keep it planted and keep it pressing
out.
to keep it working.
Was that the problem last year?
But the
He
drought
did that to
in
crash
black.
and draw,
He said
didn't
it eased off and just didn't
Don't
plant it into the tarmac as hard as what he had done the lap before. Slid off.
he? So that just
Don't take
takes
off.
a little picture of people watching at home, you know. They've
a
got
few
to be
minutes.
on the money all
Yeah.
the time, or a mistake causes a crash.
You go slower and it's more sketchy. It's
Yeah, bizarre.
a weird concept.
You have to operate in this
In a narrow window.
Yeah.
Just to add something else into the mix as well, you've got to be comfortable with the tyres in general. I mean, even in
I don't
the
know
same team that they're running themselves,
the
they're both
minute that
running different tyre
it
brands.
can,
Yeah, David is Metzlerman. Metzler cracking front tyre.
but
really
you
to understand.
can see
He
in
stops with the Dunlops, he trusts them, and that's
5 or 10
what
minutes
you want is a tyre you can trust.
the Cooper is
Down
out.
to Grace. We saw him chilling out with his shades on a moment ago. Davo Johnson is with Grace.